Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're exploring a topic that's often misunderstood, but incredibly important: gifted and talented education. These are students who show exceptional ability in one or more areas, like academics, creativity, leadership, or the arts. But gifted students don't just need more work or harder tests. They need the right kind of support to truly thrive. Don't forget to explore the full playlist using the link in the video description below. What is gifted and talented education? Gifted and talented education refers to special programs, teaching strategies, and learning environments designed to meet the needs of students who perform or have the potential to perform at high levels. These students might grasp concepts faster than their peers, think in complex, abstract ways, show intense curiosity or creativity, excel in a specific subject or skill like math, writing, or music, lead naturally, or offer innovative solutions. Giftedness isn't about being better, it's about learning differently. Why is this important in education? Without the right challenges, gifted students often become bored or disengaged, underachievers, performing below their potential, socially isolated, especially if they feel different, sometimes even misdiagnosed with behavioral issues. Just like students with special needs require support, gifted students need enrichment, flexibility, and recognition. How are gifted students identified? Identification varies by country and school system, but may include IQ or standardized tests, teacher recommendations, portfolios of work or creative projects, observations of behavior, problem solving, or leadership. It's important to recognize that giftedness looks different in every child. It's not always about top grades. It could be raw creativity, deep empathy, or unusual insight. What kind of support do they need? Schools can support gifted learners through differentiated instruction, adapting lessons to go deeper or move faster. Enrichment programs, special projects, field trips, competitions, or guest speakers. Acceleration, allowing students to skip grades or take advanced courses. Mentorship, connecting students with experts or role models. Flexible grouping, letting students work with peers at similar challenge levels. The key is to nurture their strengths while supporting emotional and social growth. Real-life example. In countries like South Korea, Singapore, and the U.S., specialized gifted programs offer early college access, research opportunities, or dedicated magnet schools. In Finland, gifted education is integrated into regular classrooms through personalized learning plans, ensuring inclusion. Why aspiring teachers must learn this? As a future educator, you'll likely have gifted students in your class, whether or not they've been officially identified. Understanding how to recognize, support, and challenge them is essential. Because when we ignore gifted learners, we don't just lose potential. We risk losing passion, confidence, and growth. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore educational technology and how digital tools can help personalize learning for gifted, struggling, and all types of learners. Be sure to subscribe, share your ideas in the comments, and check out the full playlist in the description. Thanks for growing with us right here at the Learning Studio.